so stylish. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into the second. Is this the second? Yes, this is the second video of 2023, y'all. This is Friday's video, so like I said, I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. Did I say that? Yes, Tuesdays and Fridays. So this is supposed to be Friday's video. Friday is past already. It's Saturday right now, so y'all won't get this video until today. I wanted to come out with a Valentine's Day look. It's not even Valentine's Day, but I just was like, you know what? I have to give a Valentine's Day look. Like, it's been on my brain and I'm using my products, y'all. So, why not give a makeup look using my products? And y'all be like, why you haven't used your palette? Why you not using your palette? I'm using it today. It's nothing wrong with my products. It's just I have paid promotion that I have to be doing and stuff like that. So God bless me with those companies. My products is good too. I just was like, when is going to be the right time? I do have some orders today that I'm going to be shipping, which is probably in the morning. It's Saturday, so which I will be shipping today, y'all. I have like 6 orders to ship out, y'all, and the key is to just get my brand out there, because sometimes when I post, people be like, oh my god, congratulations. I've been came out with this in June, so it'll be a year in June this year that I released my brand. So it's just, I have to get it out there. Like y'all said, we want to see an eyeshadow look with your products. And yeah, I definitely slayed this look today. Okay, everything on my eyes is from my product, from underneath and at the top of my eyes, well, on the lids, is my product, except for the sparkles, which is the little reflex on top of the color. But everything in this shadow, everything on my lid is in this palette, y'all. So if y'all haven't ordered, please go do so, because this is a great palette, y'all. I put my hard work into creating this palette, my coins into creating this palette, y'all, and let me tell y'all, it's really a good palette, and it's definitely a good palette to have in your collection. Okay, when you look at this palette, you think of like, oh my god, it's my favorite makeup artist, y'all. Like, she created something, and like, I have it in my prized possession. Like, this is my prized possession. I don't want to ramble too much, and also I have my lip combination on as well, and yeah. Y'all gonna see in this video. I just want y'all to stay tuned and keep watching. But if y'all want to see how cheap this Valentine's Day look, y'all, then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start off with the base. We're only gonna be doing one eye off camera. Off camera, and then one eye on camera. So this is the eye we will be doing on camera, and I'm just adding my base in IC number 1, y'all. So I do have a base that's lighter than this, and it's IC 0, but we're gonna apply IC 1 on the lid. Take the fan, let it dry for a little bit, or if you don't have a fan, just sit there for a couple of seconds, let it dry down a little bit, and then you're gonna start patting this out. I don't like applying base and then go right ahead and pat it out. You know why? Just like y'all apply y'all concealer, y'all wait some time for it to dry. Same with applying base or any product that's like paint based or anything like that. I just let it sit and then I go ahead and pat it out. But yeah, my base is bomb, y'all. Look at that lay. Look at it. It's bomb. Now we're moving on to my palette. This is a Dazzle Sings palette, and it is pigmented, y'all. Y'all are sleeping on my products if y'all haven't gotten one of these palettes or anything from the line. Y'all are sleeping. So I'm going to take the color Sipping on Wine, and I am going to cut, or basically mold my shape, which is creating this elongated cut crease, and I want to take Sipping on Wine and create that, y'all. And my hair was laid. Y'all see it? I know y'all gonna ask about it. I'm gonna tell my mama to get on it. Okay, I'm gonna tell her to get on it, and she better not be playing. And then I'm gonna take this red color, and I'm just gonna put that color right in the front of the brow. I think it's called In the Mood. And then I'm going to take Dolly, and I'm going to put that right on top of that Sipping on Wine color, and also on top of that Mood color. I only put the red color in the front because it was kind of looking like it was all the same color. But in all honesty, that red is deeper. Well, Sipping on Wine is deeper than that red, but I wanted everything to like correspond, so I really just said forget it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take Dolly, which is the pink, and merge everything together. Right now, you saw me, I am taking Sipping on Wine to deepen the colors up, and then also I'm taking Sipping on Wine in Fiercely Black, which is the black shade, and put it right in the front, y'all. Go back ahead and take both of those colors, make sure everything is blended how you want it, and then it's just time to cut the crease. I'm taking my micellar water, and I am cutting the crease. I don't really use the wipes anymore because it's like, it's really no purpose. Like, I'm just really wasting time. Okay, so I'm just gonna take them Q-tips, how many Q-tips it takes to get this cut crispy. You want it crispy, y'all, and I am just taking my time cutting this crease, and look at it, cut. Okay, what I do is I make a mistake. So my left eye, looking at it, my left eye is always bigger than my right eye. So I'm taking that to note. Brianna, stop making your left eye bigger than your right. But you can tell from my face that one of my eyes is higher than the other. If you look at me, you could tell one of my eyes is sitting up high and the other one. So it's kind of confusing to me when I be cutting my crease, because sometimes one looks big and high, and the other one looks low. But yeah, anyways, back to my tutorial. I am taking my liner. These are AB Crystal liners, y'all. Bomb liners, y'all. Y'all are missing out. I know I keep saying y'all, but y'all are missing out. Y'all need to get on it. These are AB Crystal liners. I'm taking it in the shade Pink Crystal. I lined my cut that I outlined once I cut it the first time, and then I cut it with the Pink Crystal, and now I'm cleaning it up to get the sharpness. Okay, that's what I did. That's all you gotta do. And my liners are very easy to clean up. They're not really matte. So if you do want them really matte, you can either set it with some powder or let it dry. But these are not really matte. They still have a little bit of what do you call it? I'm not gonna say moisture because they're not that, but it's easy for you to remove. It's not gonna crack or anything or not get real dry. I'm taking P. Louise base, and I'm going to cut. This is one of her matte bases in the shade, I think, Re-White, and I'm going to set it with some translucent powder. Y'all didn't see me show that, but I did set it with some translucent powder because it be cracking sometimes, or it doesn't set like it says it does. So I took some of that, and I took some right out of my palette, set that, and now I'm taking Dolly, and also in the Mood, which is that red that I put in front of my eye, and then I am basically ombreing. Y'all didn't see me do the wing off camera because it was kind of getting blurry, but now I'm curving that Pink Crystal liner into this like exotic look, and that is the wing, y'all. Like, it's kind of easy to do, but easy said than done because I do this, but just look at it and actually sit down and do it. It's easy. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, art. It is art. I did put some crystals, well no, some pigment on top of that ombre lid area, and that was Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in the shade Cinderella pigment. I am now putting on lashes. I did put my mascara on, let them dry, and that is the finished eye look. Onto the face. I did my face on camera because I was, like I said, I'm getting promotions, y'all. I'm getting paid to do promotions with companies, so God bless me, and 2023 is starting off so great. Doing the rest of my face, I did take Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Tan Deep Sand and Deep. After I did that, I did go ahead and add everything else to my face, and I blended it out, which is right here. I didn't show y'all how to do my new method, but I will be coming out with a face routine. I've been saying this, but y'all kind of are getting a little bit of it. Y'all are seeing it, and yes, it's totally different, and it's making my face look really good. But yeah, y'all, I did go ahead and add 10 sand before I added my powder. As you can see, I was blending before this. So yeah, I'm adding my powder and Laura Mercier all over in the highlighted areas. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder, well, loose powder, not setting powder, in the shade Translucent Deep Dark. Yes. translucent deep dark, and I am going to set all over their face, which is only in the areas that need to be set that hasn't been set with the translucent honey from Laura Mercier, which is basically the contour area where I put the foundation and things like that. Now I'm taking my bronzer. I forgot what bronzer I took. Probably was the Fenty Pro Filter foundation powders in the shade 460, and I just bronzed my face. And I also took a darker bronzer, which is from Morphe, and I think it's called Phantom. Cut that jaw, baby, okay, because we want everything to be cut and crispy. I love the dark translucent powder from Laura Mercier. It just melts to the skin so seamlessly. I'm gonna bronze my nose. We want that nose to be sharp. We want it to be snatched, okay, all year around. My skin is getting so good though. I just really need help in those pore areas. I don't know if you'll see my cheeks. I really need help in those areas. Everything else is smooth to me, but this area where the pores and the blush sits, I need either micro needling, or if y'all can recommend me something that is going to either minimize it or not look so let me know down in the comment section below. I would love to see the comments. Okay, so I'm taking this black from P. Louise, and then I am going to set this with my Fiercely Black shadow out of my Dazzle Tinks palette. After I set this, I am going to take the pink shadow, which is Dolly, and then I'm also going to take In the Mood in the front. I am now wiping off all the powder on my face, and I am setting it with a MAC Studio Fix powder in 44.5. My bestie put me on this because she was like, go ahead and get this. And I was like, okay. And baby, it changed my life. I like it. Now I'm taking my lip liner. We don't have no more of these in stock, but however, we are going to be getting stuff in stock. But go ahead and shop so we can get stuff in stock, okay? So this is the dark brown lip liner. These are cubic liners. And then I am going to pop on a liquid lipstick off camera, and I'm going to apply this. I think it's called Excuse My Nude, or if it's not that, it's a lighter nude than that. I pop that on, pop some clear gloss on, and that is it, y'all. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and if y'all know any more looks that y'all want me to review, let me know down in the comment section below. And until then, I'll see you down on my next tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoy, and I finally did a look with my palette. Y'all was asking for it, and I gave it to y'all. I will do I am going to do the other eye on TikTok, y'all. If you notice me only doing one eye, and it's because I'm doing it on TikTok as well. So you got to get those posts in. You got to get those posts in, and I am trying to be consistent, y'all. And I'm trying to fall back in love with my work. And it's actually working because, like the saying says, once you stay consistent, you get back motivated. Okay? And it's just going to keep coming and keep coming and keep coming. Okay? You think ideas. Like, I was going to put a heart on my face. I still might, but I probably won't. However, don't forget to visit my site. It is www.bfiercebeauty.com, y'all. Go check out the site if y'all haven't. If y'all haven't even heard about the palette, definitely go check out the site. I have a lot of stuff on the site to offer for you all. Great quality. And yeah, y'all, don't forget to press that like button, comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all want me to do a look combo in this palette with certain colors. Just let me know what y'all want, and I definitely will give it to y'all. But until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.